Aside from our Holy Quran serving as a moral and spiritual guide with advice, commands, stories, and lessons, it also consists of historical and scientific discoveries. Such information was sent down from Allah and compiled into the Quran way before it was even discovered and confirmed to be a fact through scientific research. Such miracles of the Quran serve as evidence of God, His knowledge of all things, and proof of His divine word. We know that the Quran was brought down to us through the narration of the angel Gabriel to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, piece by piece, until it was compiled after the Prophet's passing in the 7th century. Despite it appearing at a time when science had little value, one can find several scientific facts in the Quran. Number 1. The Big Bang Theory in Quran. The theory of the origin of the universe is one of the most noteworthy scientific things mentioned in the Quran. Until 100 years ago, it was believed that the universe had no creator and has always existed. But Albert Einstein, during his field equation study, challenged this belief when he presented the theory that the universe is an expanding force that's growing like a balloon. Later, a mathematician and Belgian priest proposed that this expansion must have begun from an initial and dense point. The holy book of the Quran, which came into existence centuries before the uncovering of the Big Bang Theory, details this idea. The text states that, "Do not the disbeliever see that the heavens and the earth were a closed-up mass, ratkin? Then we opened them out." Quran 21:31. The word ratkin, used in the text, hints at darkness and closed-up mass. This is exactly how the universe must have looked before the Big Bang happened. Number 2. The Big Crunch Theory in Quran. The Big Crunch Theory that predicts how the universe will end is yet another scientific thing the Quran details. The idea, based on Einstein's general relativity theory, talks about how the universe that began with the Big Bang will be eventually destroyed as a consequence. The Holy Quran mentions this incident in passage 21:105, where it reads, "Remember the day when we shall roll up the heavens like the rolling up of written scrolls by a scribe.